Ford Escape. Car won't start. This is what you need to do. If the wire is broken, the wire on, it's giving low voltage. This is what you need to do. Get two relay. You're gonna get a 5-pin, and for this a 4-pin, you need a 5-pin. And this wire not gonna be connected. Only 4 wires gonna connected. One gonna be grounds. Grounds one right here. That's it. And this one, this for the live. I put right there. And this one for the starter. Just gonna put this on for the starter. And you're gonna connect the wire from here to the starter relay. Send the live signal. Do not run it right here for the ignition, because when you turn the key out, the car gonna continue to run. So you need to run it right here, right on this side. You take the live from here, so when you turn off the key, all the signal finish. Try starter. Start in 1 minute. Get that? So everything started up.